So you need to change a tire on your trailer and you don't have a jack. Here's one way you can do it. First, block the opposite tire. Lower your jack all the way down. Then, stack some blocks underneath the back. And yes, I know you're not supposed to use masonry to support a heavy load. This trailer doesn't weigh that much, and I'm not getting underneath it. Jack your tongue jack all the way back up. And as you can see, the tire is off the ground. It's that easy, guys. Another way to do it, especially if you have a long trailer, is put your blocks right here, as close to that tire as you can, and then lower the jack in order to lift that up. Got to do what you got to do with what you have available.